Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to verify external account on Truist Bank. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first things first is we first have to go to truist.com and log in into our account. So you need to provide your user ID as well as your password and hit on sign in. Now from there, navigate to the online banking feature of the Truist Bank within your account page when you're connecting an external bank account. Now, upon linking, you will encounter a menu labeled Manage Non-Truist Bank Account. Now, at this point, you'll need to exercise patience as the verification process typically takes 4 to 5 business days. Now, unfortunately, there is no way to expedite this time frame, and after this waiting period, you will either receive an email from the Truist Bank confirming the verification of your bank account. Or if no email is received, you can access the managing window. Within this window, and tapping on the three dotted under the action section will reveal the verify now button. Now, despite the lengthy waiting time, this process is essential for verifying your external account on Truist Bank, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.